In order to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Realme GT 7T, all you have to do is open Settings. Then you want to choose Connection and Sharing, and you should be able to find Personal Hotspot. If you go here for the first time, you can go to Hotspot Settings in order to set up the name for the hotspot. You can also check the password and change it as well. And we have some advanced settings such as the AP band, so you can turn on 5 GHz. We can also use Wi-Fi 6 over here. And once you are ready, you can press Save in the top right corner. In order to turn on the hotspot here, we have the personal hotspot option, so we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on and then confirm your choice. When the hotspot is enabled, when it is being used, you can generate the QR code by tapping on this QR code icon, and as you can see, here it is. Besides that, you should be able to go to the control center in order to find somewhere the personal hotspot. In my case, it is in this place, so I can tap on this button in order to quickly turn on or turn off the mobile hotspot. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.